Truck spotting is December 29th. Let's see what Miguel spotted. Solid container van truck. Interasia container van truck. Sim container van truck. Macrocene lines container van truck. Gabong Southern container van truck. Beacon container van truck. Morita container van truck. Florence is lines container van truck. Tex container van truck. K container van truck. K container van truck. Ocean Network Express container van truck. Maxim container van truck. Tex container van truck. Costa shipping container van truck. TES lines container van truck. TES lines container van truck. Morita container van truck. TES lines container van truck. Macrocene lines container van truck. Meridian container van truck. Seco container van truck. Maersk container van truck. Maersk container van truck. Triton container van truck. Beacon container van truck. Gabong Southern container van truck. Evergreen container van truck. Sit container van truck. Foso wing van. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.